Welcome to our tutorial about working with tables. We're currently on the Annotate tab. In order to expand the Tables panel, I'm going to close the Leaders panel. Let's right-click, select Show Panels, and unselect Leaders. Here's the Create Table button. First, we need to specify the Insert options, and our preview is below. Tables in AutoCAD work similarly to those of an Excel spreadsheet, but of course they are much less powerful than a program like Excel. Some of the options on this window you'll be familiar with: column and row settings, cell styles. Here we can specify the number of columns and the number of rows. Next door are the column width and row height adjustments. The cell style we select from this drop-down menu. And our updates are reflected in the preview window. My tables tend to have a title in the first row, headers in the second row, and then data in the next rows. But of course, you can specify these options in any way you want. Let's click OK now to accept our table. Now left-click to place the top left corner of the table. And now we're ready to type in our text. Press the Tab key or Enter key to register. This also moves you from cell to cell. As you see on the ribbon, we're in the text editing mode. Let's close the text editor. And now we can move and manipulate the table. If I click inside the table, we can adjust the cell size, insert columns and rows, we can delete columns and rows, we can lock and unlock the cells, and so on. And let's press Escape to deselect everything. If I select the table, we can drag and drop it in different parts of our graphic area. We can also change the complete table size. We can change the row and column size. There are some grips here that look different, these big blue arrows. If we adjust the position of these handles, we can divide the table into two. And it's just as easy to merge the tables. You would just click on the upward-facing arrow. Okay, let's press Escape to exit everything. And let's activate the Create Table command again. Conveniently, we can insert data from an existing spreadsheet. Let's click this button here to browse. Now select Create a new Excel data link. Enter the name of your table. And click OK. And now let's browse for our file. Navigate to the Exercise folder, and let's select the comma delimited file type. What I've got here is a comma delimited text file. Select it and click Open. And here's the preview at the bottom of the window. Let's click OK. And OK again. Now, as you can see, the number of columns and rows, as well as the cell style controls, are grayed out. Let's click OK. And let's left-click to position our table. In order to edit the table, just click on the table or inside the table. As you see, the cell is currently locked. We'll need to unlock it. Now, to edit the cell, just simply double-click on it. Type in your modifications, tab to register, or click outside. And this concludes our tutorial about working with tables in AutoCAD.